it's Alli from Glamour Glow Academy. Let's talk about couple maternity, family maternity, and solo maternity. With my style of photography, I concentrate on the mom-to-be. And it's not right or wrong, it's just my style and my brand. So what I do is, if she'd like to bring her spouse, I like to incorporate 1 or 2 photos of the dad and the mom together. Sometimes they'll bring their little siblings, a couple of kids or one child, and I'll do a couple with the mom as well. I don't do a group photo of mom and dad, her being pregnant with the other siblings. For me and my style, I find that a bit awkward, and I would prefer maybe to do that at a newborn session to incorporate the new baby into that family unit. But again, that's up to you and your style and what you'd like to provide for your clients. I actually don't get asked to do a group photo because they don't see that on my social media either. Sometimes if that's what they would really like to do, and they're a great client, of course I'll offer that to them. That's not a problem, but it's just again a preference that I don't prefer to do. For siblings, I'll do 1 or 2 shots. Now, siblings are tricky. They are little, they don't want to stay still, they're feeling, pressured. So if I get a couple of photos, I'm happy with that, the mom's happy. But then what I ask the dad to do, or a family member or friend, is to come pick up the little guy or girl, because I really don't want them running around the studio when I'm trying to concentrate on the rest 45 minutes or so of the mom's session. I really don't want them there. It's a distraction. So that's what I do, and it's worked great for me. If you've enjoyed this tip today and would like to learn more, you can head over to glamourglowacademy.com, and I'll see you there.